to our cooking class. Would you like to cook with us? Great! Today we are going to teach you how to make delicious chocolate sticks. You can be sure it will be impossible to eat just one. You can eat them during school break, as a snack, at work, or whenever you feel like eating something yummy. It's a simple recipe and I am sure you will love it. Call your family and friends to cook with us. Are you ready? Well then, let's start! First, let's take a look at the ingredients. We will need, for the sticks, 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 120 grams of melted butter, 4 tablespoons of cornstarch, 6 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of vanilla essence, and 200 grams melted fractionated chocolate. Now that you know the ingredients, let's check the utensils that we will need to make our delicious chocolate sticks. A baking pan, a bowl, a piece of parchment paper. Now that we have seen all the ingredients and the utensils, it's time to start. In a big bowl, place the flour, the sugar, the cornstarch, the vanilla essence, and the melted butter. Mix everything well. Then, little by little, add the water. The water is very important to unify the dough. If the dough is not smooth enough, add a little bit more water. Always little by little. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, go! Now the water, little by little. Get a piece of the dough and roll it into a snake. Don't forget to grease the baking pan. Let's see how this is done. Come with me. Now my sticks are ready. What's next? Preheat the oven, bake the sticks for 20 to 25 minutes or until they are golden brown. Wow, the sticks are baked! Now we need to dip them in the melted chocolate. The chocolate can be melted in the microwave, little by little. Check it every 30 minutes and mix it. Place all the chocolate dipped sticks onto the piece of parchment paper for them to dry. They dry very quickly. Let's do it! Chocolate sticks are ready. Let's try them, shall we? Delicious. delicious. It's impossible to eat just one. Yummy! Did you like this recipe? Leave a comment below and tell us who would you like to invite to make this delicious recipe with you. Follow us and we will notify you whenever we have any new episodes. Enjoy!